Hello everyone, this is JD and I will be showing you today how to use blotting effect on your video. First, you'll have to open up the Adobe After Effects and then open up a new project. Once you've done that, you're going to select the media or the video that you're going to use and then import it. Once you imported it, you're going to drag it down to your timeline. Once you drag it down to your timeline, we're going to double click on it to make an additional layer. This will be the layer that you will use to use brush tool. So double click and there's a layer. Select the brush tool and then you will see the color and the brush size that you can change. Once you selected the brush tool, go to the timeline and select the frame that you like to start drawing on. I will use the cursor to draw onto the frame, like that. Now if you don't like the way it's drawn, select Ctrl Z and then it will undo. Now if you're satisfied with your drawing, select page up or page down to move up a frame or down a frame. So select page down to go down a frame, and then we will draw another one. And the process will repeat. Moving frame by frame. Once you're finished with the drawing, go to the timeline and see how much it flows. Now you will make a duplicate layer because you want to separate the paint from the video. So select the video and then push Ctrl D for duplicate. Once you made the duplicate, it's already gonna be selected. Once the video is selected, go to the effect control and then select and you will see paint on transparent. You will select this. Once you select paint on transparent, you will go to the original video and then select the arrow. Go to effect and then turn off the effects on the paint. Now once that's all done, we will go back to the composition because we will not draw on it anymore. You can see from the timeline that if you unselect the views, there's nothing on the screen. If you select the original media, then you will only see the video. If you select the paint on the duplicate, you will see the blotter effect. And if you turn on both, then you will see the blotter effect on the video. So we've separated the two. Now turn on both the video and the effect, and then go to Effects and Presets. Search Glow, and then drag and drop to the effect on the duplicate. Use the glow threshold, glow radius, and glow intensity to control the effect. I will increase the glow radius to make it glow, and then intensify. If you like what you see, then you can leave it there, but if you want to make it more amplified, select the glow effect and Ctrl D to duplicate. Now you make glow 2 with the duplicate with much more intense effect. And that's it. You will have to export the video and then use Adobe Premiere to do whatever you like. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment on this video, and I will bring more contents like this in the future. Thank you so much, and you have a great day.